Hello, everyone. My name is Cassandra Johnson Landry. I currently reside in the suburbs of Atlanta, Georgia. The reason I'm on YouTube is to obtain a legal firm who can take on a multi-billion-dollar lawsuit. Brief overview. We are victims of identity theft, mortgage fraud, IRS fraud, mail fraud. Our lives have been threatened. We have been hit. I've been hit twice. My car was totaled the second time. My husband has been hit once. So it's vehicular homicide attempted. My life has been threatened by major pharmaceutical companies. There are numerous people involved. The mortgage fraud is excessive. We own both commercial and residential properties. I think we probably have about $30 million worth of mortgage fraud. We have SBA, commercial business identity theft, and mortgage fraud. We have Ponzi schemes going on within my commercial residential complex. There has been a commingling of funds within the HOA associations. We have federal judges involved, magistrate judges involved. We have state judges involved. We have various attorneys involved. We have major power companies involved, in addition to, again, I don't know if I stated, major pharmaceutical companies who have sent me death threats via fax. Some of those mortgage companies and lenders and servicers include J.P. Chase Morgan, Wells Fargo. I think one's called Plaza Home Bank. And trust me, we're not slandering, I'm not slandering anyone's name because I have it all on paper. And the famous Dersh Bank. There are court trustees involved. We filed bankruptcy, or I filed bankruptcy, not because of the mortgage fraud, because the mortgage fraud led me to bankruptcy. And it had to be documented. But of course, bankruptcy courts, are they illegal? Are they legit? You figure it out. Is money missing there? You figure it out. I'm not saying it is. I'm not saying it isn't. But the temperament and the unprofessional behavior that takes place there is unbelievable. You go to bankruptcy to seek a level of relief, not to gain more stress, not to be coerced, not to be tortured. You don't go to bankruptcy court to be told you have to come up with $14,000 or $10,000 and make payments on your homes in addition to your bankruptcy fees in order to remain in our court. This extortion. My due process has been violated. Everyone is entitled to a due process. My civil rights have been violated. As I stated to a federal judge, I will be no one's mortgage prostitute. I will not make the wealthy wealthier. So with that said, we, meaning both myself and my spouse, are asking you, law firms, if you are interested in taking this case on. It is a multi-billion-dollar case. Again, you could email your company's resume to me. C as in Charlie, J as in John, Landry, Landry, 1967 @gmail.com. That's CJ Landry 1967 @gmail.com. Please note, I am not afraid because I am covered by the blood of Jesus. If I'm mature and adult enough to make this video and place it on YouTube for the world to see, I can provide you with my contact information. Again, many agencies have contacted me. Very few have I spoken to. As a matter of fact, none. Because I'm very, 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 very careful. Because this ring is so large and it keeps getting deeper and deeper and deeper. Again, those of you who are watching me and you are a part of it, please don't come for me, nor my family. Again, you can email your law firm's resume, cjlandry1967@gmail.com. Question: how do you foreclose on a commercial building 4 times? How do you foreclose on individuals' homes who are paid for? For all of you laypersons or laymen that are watching this YouTube video, please note that if you did not receive a receipt for your property purchase, you probably didn't purchase it. Yes, you are entitled to a receipt. And also, you're entitled to all the documents, whether it's subpoena or by your personal request, from your lender, proving that they are a creditor. Now, with that being said, I'm sure you can figure the rest out. Thank you for listening. For those attorneys that are interested and you're really passionate and not just in it for the money is there. We will put up a no retainer fee due to the amount of money that can be awarded. The groundwork has been done. The investigation has been done. All you would need to do is pick the case up and run with it. Thank you, and be blessed. Again, Cassandra Johnson Landry, cjlandry1967@gmail.com.